That's the spot.
Mighty God.
Yeah, I go into the spa. And I was telling
I'm here freeze.
can I sit down a little bit?
It's a believing that something far greater injury than
Thank you.
You're waiting on your friend?
Yeah.
to run away. But capturing this hazardous hole is just the beginning. Enduring the terrible pain a bullet ant can.
Come on now, guys. Give me something now, guys. Give me a galaxy. Ranger, bigger something, Ranger. Oh, long you no, me not begging nothing. Come on, guys. Give me something. Give me something. Give me something. Put me in the top 10 now, man. Come, Cassie, thank you. Come, Cassie, dig in your pocket, man. Look how long in a blood clot, see me. Dip in a ass clot pocket, man. You know dip in there. Dip in a blood clot. I wanna do, man. Look how long you not see me. I'm gonna start pre-roll on you, know.
Look at those bags, Jayden.
You're gonna buy one?
Yeah, it's so nice in here. You wanna see?
Yes,
Nobody not in here now. Nobody not in there now. Wow, in there so nice, Bob. Hello? Come here for my school appointment. The massage.
Prudence.
Alright.
Are you in foreign?
If I'm in foreign?
Yeah.
I'm in Montego Bay Harbor City.
Stop there before you do.
Oh, wow. I'm gonna have a beautiful day today. Yeah.
35 rows. Everybody send a rows. Quick and fast, guys. Quick and fast. 35 of them. Quick and fast. Boom. Keep your dog, channel. You know, better give me something on it double. So, are you doing veneers too?
Veneers? They don't do veneers here.
Oh. Joey, I beg you something, man, in my father. Come on, guys. Give me something on a triple here. Everybody shoot on a triple here. Come on, a team bag. Come. Give me something on a triple. Everybody give me something. Everybody give me something on a triple here, guys. Come. You don't come, no man. I'm dipping on the pocket, no man. Look how long you don't see me. I broke hungry right now, that's why I come back for the change. I want to make a local bills and see if I can cash you out and go go near two front. Come, put something.
Hello, everyone. Hi. Cheese. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Yeah. It was nice looking around in there. Yeah. It was nice.
Yeah, enjoy yourself, man.
Yeah. Wow, I'm gonna get my servings. Hi. Not yet? Okay.
You know, I notice, guys, it's when Brit come out of the house, Brit have a different vibe. something in our house or what are done. Something one bad spirit in our house. Something. And me alone see it. Alright, I'm alone see it.
Wow. I'm really living the life.
Guys, come now. If me not get nothing, just so you know me gone, you know. Cause something come for beg, you know. Anyhow, me not get nothing, just so me gone. Well, more I just something first. Me here say CC salt up down here. That them a tell me, guys. A lot the comment section a tell me. I know me say it, you know. Them a say CC salt up down here. That me a hear. Down I'm sorry, say car get mash up, bro. I'm very sorry. But them a say CC salt. That them a say. Them a say CC come with our salt front. Rascal, so hold on. Me not think of Shana leading at the department. The Shana you have competition. No, John want the pussy class. John want. So you're gonna still be on live or you're gonna end?
I'm gonna be here on the live.
What you said?
Remember, she's gonna start from the shoulders. Go up.
So you go shave?
No, not today.
But pull up, Brit.
Yeah, I usually wax, but not gonna wax now.
So when I go wax?
When I'm gonna wax, you can come in.